Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Brian. How are you today?
Hi, Amy. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm very excited about my new job, and I wanted to tell you more about it. I just started working at a car rental company, and everything is very new to me.
That sounds interesting, Amy. How is your new job different from your old job?
Well, my old job was very quiet. I almost never saw my coworkers because I worked in a small office alone. In my new job, I work with many friendly people, and I am always talking with my colleagues.
That must be a big change. What do you do at your new job?
I work in the office at a car rental company. When customers come in, I give them some documents to fill out, check their driving license, answer their questions, take their payment, and then give them the keys for the car they are renting.
It sounds like you have many responsibilities. Is it a difficult job?
The job is simple. I just follow a set of steps for every customer. However, when there are many customers and they have to wait a long time, some of them get angry. I have to be very patient in those moments.
I see. How many people work with you there?
In our office, there are 6 people who work together. In addition, there are 9 people outside who prepare the cars, they check the fuel, clean the cars, and help customers understand how everything works.
That sounds like a good team. It must be more fun working with others compared to working alone.
Yes, it is much better. I enjoy chatting with my new colleagues. They are funny and friendly. It makes the workday more lively.
That's great. How do you feel about your new job overall?
I feel happy. I like the friendly atmosphere, and the work is clear. I enjoy talking to customers and solving small problems when they come in. I also learn new things every day.
It seems like you are enjoying the change. You mentioned that sometimes customers get angry when they have to wait. How do you handle that situation?
I try to stay calm and smile. I explain to them that we are working quickly and that I understand their frustration. I always ask if I can help them with any questions while they wait. This seems to calm them down a bit.
That is a good strategy. I think listening to the customers and showing that you care can help a lot. Do you have any examples of a good experience?
Yes, one time a customer was very upset because he had waited too long. I apologized and explained that the car he wanted was being cleaned. I offered him a cup of coffee from our small waiting area. He smiled and thanked me.
That is a nice way to solve the problem. It shows that even when things do not go perfectly, a little kindness goes a long way.
Exactly. The work is simple, but I am learning to deal with different situations. I also have learned that teamwork is very important. When a customer is angry, my colleagues sometimes help calm the situation.
Working as a team makes a big difference. It sounds like your new job has many positive aspects.
It does, Brian. I don't make as much money now as I did in my old job, but that is because I am new. I am still learning, and my salary will increase soon as I gain more experience.
That makes sense. starting in a new job can mean lower pay at first, but it is an investment in your future. Do you have any plans to improve your skills at work?
Yes, I plan to learn more about customer service and office software. I want to become more efficient. I also plan to take a short course on car rental management in the future.
That is a very good plan, Amy. Learning new skills will definitely help you get better at your job and maybe earn more in the future.
I agree. I feel that every challenge is an opportunity to learn. For example, when I first started, I was nervous about checking driving licenses correctly. Now I practice that task every day, and I am much more confident.
It is wonderful to see you growing in your role. How do you manage your stress when many customers come in at once?
I try to take a deep breath and remind myself that I can handle the situation. I focus on one customer at a time and do my best. Sometimes I ask a colleague for help if the line is very long.
That is a smart approach. I have seen similar strategies used in busy offices. Focusing on one task at a time can make a big difference.
Yes, and I also make sure to take short breaks when I can. A 5-minute break helps me clear my mind and return to work with fresh energy.
Taking breaks is important. I often step away for a short walk during my lunch break. It helps me feel refreshed for the rest of the day.
I try to do that too. Even a quick break in the afternoon makes me feel better and less stressed.
Overall, it sounds like your new job is a good change for you. Even if the pay is lower now, you are gaining valuable experience and learning how to handle various situations.
Exactly, Brian. I feel that working with friendly colleagues and interacting with customers every day has helped me build my communication skills. I am learning to solve problems calmly and professionally.
That is very important for your future. Your ability to handle stress and work well with a team will be very valuable as you advance in your career.
Thank you, Brian. Your advice and encouragement mean a lot to me. I also feel that my new job gives me more opportunities to meet people and build relationships, unlike my old job where I was very isolated.
I'm glad to hear that, Amy. Working in a busy environment can be very fulfilling, especially when you are part of a supportive team.
I agree. I am excited about the future and about growing in this job. I know that with time, I will earn more and become more skilled in my work.
I believe so too. It is all about learning and taking one step at a time. Even if you face some challenges now, you will overcome them with practice and support from your colleagues.
That is very true, Brian. I try to learn from every mistake and see each challenge as an opportunity to improve. I also enjoy discussing these challenges with friends like you.
It's good to talk about these things, Amy. Sharing experiences helps me see that I am not alone in facing difficulties. It gives me the courage to try new strategies.
Yes, and sometimes just talking with someone who understands makes all the difference. I feel more confident after our conversation.
I'm happy to help, Amy. I think it is important to have a support system when you start something new.
Thank you, Brian. I appreciate your advice. I will keep working hard and learning every day. I hope that soon I will be earning more and be even more comfortable in my job.
I'm sure you will, Amy. Your positive attitude and willingness to learn will take you far. Keep focusing on your goals. And remember that every new experience is a step toward success.
I will, Brian. I feel lucky to have this opportunity and to work in a friendly environment. I look forward to growing in my career and learning more with each day.
That's the spirit, Amy. I look forward to hearing about your progress. Maybe next time we can talk about new skills you have learned or projects you have completed.
That sounds wonderful, Brian. I'd love to share my progress with you and learn more from your experiences as well.
Thank you for sharing your story, Amy. It is inspiring to hear about your new beginnings. I'm sure you will succeed in your career and reach your goals soon.
Thank you, Brian. I really appreciate your kind words and advice. I believe that every step I take now, no matter how small, will lead to a better future.
Absolutely. Just remember to stay positive, keep practicing, and take your time. Your new job is a fresh start, and you will only get better with experience.
I agree. I am excited about this new chapter in my life, and I feel motivated to work hard every day.
I'm glad to hear that, Amy. It has been very nice talking with you about your new job and your plans. I wish you all the best and hope that soon you will be earning more and enjoying your work even more.
Thank you, Brian. I really enjoyed our conversation. Your support means a lot to me, and I will keep your advice in mind as I continue to learn and grow in my career.
You're welcome, Amy. I'm always here if you need advice or just want to chat about work. Good luck, and I'm sure you will do great.
Thanks again, Brian. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching up with you soon.
Have a great day too, Amy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Brian.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.